Hi, my name is Ryan. I'm the owner of Ryno Lawn Care. Today we'll be talking about a few services that we offer, including sod installation, fertilization, and weed control. So something that separates Ryno from some of our competition is that we're able to actually take care of your new sod after it's completed. We offer a special sod program to make sure we're always keeping our eye on it and putting down the right products on it to make sure you have a successful installation, and also make sure they can handle the upcoming seasons that we have ahead. You don't want to just water it and kind of just go inside and forget about it. You want to keep your eyes on it. You want to make sure there's proper nutrition put on the new grass, and also just make sure everything is growing properly. Some of the important things about controlling weeds is timing. So we do put down weed prevention pre-emergent products throughout the cooler months. Also, during each visit, we are identifying weeds that might be popping up, and we're putting down the right products to make sure those weeds are taken care of. I know how frustrating it can be as a homeowner to maybe go to a local nursery or a big box store and get products to take care of your weeds, but then you come home, put in the work, and the weeds don't die. So it is important to know what you're spraying and what you're spraying it on to actually get that clean lawn you're looking for. With the grass naturally greening up, we are at a point where we can start feeding the grass to kind of help it thicken up quicker, help any kind of stressed out areas fill in, and also just give you that really green lawn that you're looking for. During our process of feeding the lawn, we will spot spray any kind of weeds that might be popping up. Whenever we go into the fall months, we'll be putting down some weed prevention product. We make sure that we mix everything properly so that we're not putting too much product out there so that it can cause any kind of issues, but also once everything is dry, you should be good to go. We always send an email after each time we treat your lawn just to make you aware that we are completed. Also, we will put a sign out front just to let you know that we took care of everything and we are good to go. So one thing that we like to do is basically keep our techs on the same routes. That way they get familiar with the houses, they get familiar with the clients, we add that personal touch. Basically, they're able to remember everything they've done on the property so far. They can see what's working, what's not working, make those adjustments at that time. Keeping those technicians at the house makes everybody comfortable and trustworthy of who's actually on your property. Something that I think Ryno Lawn Care does different from other companies is we can really customize the package that you're looking for. We have more than just one program. We try not to overdo it, but we do have clients that maybe they have a budget. So we have a 6-round program for that takes care of basically the weed and fertilization part of the program. So I definitely know how hard it is to take care of a lawn. Once again, we deal with a lot of weather issues in our area. We get droughts, we get floods. So there's a lot of issues out there that we can help with. We also are able to help more with the soil. So sometimes you might see areas that are really struggling and you don't know why, and it's really from compaction or maybe it's hydrophobic. So it's not even absorbing the water you're putting down. But basically our fertilization department, our team, we can recognize these things to really help out and get that lawn you're looking for. So if you have any concerns about your lawn, we are here to help. We want to take your lawn to the next level. Give us a call.